Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best blunt roller is probably one of the most innovative gadgets to hit the market for cannabis enthusiasts. Tired of the tedious process of rolling blunts? This device promises to automate the process, ensuring perfectly rolled blunts every single time. In this video, we're diving deep into this game changer, exploring its features, ease of use, and whether it lives up to the hype. Number 5. Powermatic 2 Plus Electric Cigarette Injector. Introducing the Powermatic 2 Plus. This is the new and improved version. It offers enhanced features for a better experience. The motor speed has been increased. This means it can work faster and more efficiently. The gear quality has been improved. This enhancement ensures greater durability and smoother operation. It now has 25% more power, reducing the chance of jams. This makes the process more reliable. This machine can make both king-sized and 100mm cigarettes. It offers versatility to meet your needs. What we like. This machine boasts increased motor speed and improved gear quality. It offers 25% more power with fewer jams, ensuring a smooth experience. If you are looking for a fast and efficient way to make cigarettes, this is a great choice. What people say. The machine works perfectly every time. It rolls perfect blunts every time. The design is sleek and the machine is easy to use. Number 4. Raw 79mm Automatic Cigarette Rolling Box, Red. Tired of struggling to roll? This automatic rolling box makes it easy. It helps you roll perfectly every time, like a pro. The adjustable roll size lets you customize your smokes. The non-stretch apron cradles everything perfectly for a smooth roll. Made from durable, lightweight metal, this rolling box is ready for anything. You can take it anywhere with confidence. The non-stretch apron provides the perfect cradle for your paper, tip, and material. It ensures a smooth and even roll every time. Adjust the interior pins to get your preferred thickness. This gives you the flexibility to roll to your ideal size. Keep everything in one place with the interior storage. It's perfect for papers, tips, and anything else you need. What we like. This rolling box allows you to roll like a pro with its adjustable roll size. Its durable, lightweight metal construction makes it perfect for on-the-go use. If you like to customize the thickness of your smokes and need a portable solution, this is the one for you. What people say. The machine works perfectly every time. It rolls perfect blunts every time. The design is sleek and the machine is easy to use. Number 3. Banana Brothers OTTO Electric Smart Herb Grinder. Introducing the OTTO, an electric spice grinder kit. This kit includes a smart mill, storage tube, O-tube holder, measuring cup, USB cable, and a cleaning tool. Please note that it does not include a carrying case. The OTTO features an advanced internal sensor system. This system adjusts speed and pressure for consistent grinding results. It's designed to gently mill your herbs while maintaining their aroma and structure. With the OTTO, milling is effortless with just one button. Its upright design and O-tube ensure mess-free filling directly into cones. This provides a cleaner and more convenient experience. This grinder produces a uniform texture, enhancing the preparation of your herbs. It's ideal for those who value reliability and a clean operation in a compact, modern device. The OTTO is not your average herb grinder. With careful milling and a sturdy design, it delivers clean, consistent results. It requires less effort than traditional manual grinders. What we like. This grinder uses smart grinding technology for consistent results every time. It offers one-touch milling with precision dispensing. If you value reliability and a clean operation in a compact device, you should consider it. What people say. It rolls joints. Super high-quality moldings on the plastics with a nice anti-stick, almost soft plastic texture. The fit finish alone makes me know this is not a cheap item. Number 2. Wakit Grinders RollBotz RoboKone Filler. This is the RollBotz RoboKone filler from Wakit Grinders. It is designed for fast and uniform milling. The product uses a rechargeable motor and bead chain design. The RollBotz is powerful and fast. It ensures that you get the same performance from your mill with smooth consistency. The RoboKone filler is rechargeable via an included micro USB cable. This feature makes it convenient to use anytime, anywhere. This product allows for seamless filling of sleeves, packets, and spice containers directly from the mill. There is no mess. The RollBotz ensures consistent performance. Use after use, you get the same smooth and reliable results. What we like. The RollBotz RoboKone filler is powerful and fast, using a bead chain design for uniform precision. It allows for seamless filling of sleeves directly from the mill. If you need a quick and mess-free way to fill your cones, this is the perfect option. What people say. The machine is very easy to use. It rolls perfect blunts every time. It is a great product and works exactly as described. Number 1. Raw 79mm Hemp Plastic Rolling Machine. Introducing the Raw 79mm Hemp Plastic Rolling Machine. This handy device makes rolling your own cigarettes easy and convenient. It's a must-have for anyone who enjoys a perfectly rolled smoke. The machine is small and lightweight, perfect for carrying around. It easily fits in your pocket or bag. You can take it with you wherever you go. Made from durable hemp plastic, the machine is built to last. It's a sustainable choice for the environmentally conscious. You can feel good about using it. Using the machine is simple, even for beginners. Just add your tobacco and paper, and it will do the rest. It creates a perfect roll every time. This product is proudly made in China. It is designed with quality and precision. You can trust its performance. What we like. This is a compact and portable rolling machine. It's easy to use and perfect for rolling cigarettes. If you like a simple and convenient way to roll cigarettes, you should consider this. What people say. The machine works perfectly. The design is sleek and modern. It rolls perfect blunts every time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.